Yo, what's up, YouTube? So back at it again with a newest snowmobiling video. Today it's just going to be an update video, but I am going to have new content coming soon. We're going to be doing some riding up north, hopefully some old forge content and all. So if you like what I'm putting out and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also comment and let me know how I'm doing. So this video is going to be kind of like a review slash first impression, kind of a couple things that I've noticed. So far I have about 100 miles on this sled. I noticed the fuel consumption is actually pretty good on this. It's in break-in, obviously, but the fuel consumption so far for this, I'm getting about 12 miles to the gallon so far, which is actually pretty good, especially because I didn't really necessarily not romp on it. I mean, I tried to break it in good. Oil consumption, I rode 100 miles. I had this full. I don't know if you guys can see that, but really only used about, I would say, a quarter of it, and that's in break-in, so it's using a lot more oil. I'm actually shocked at that. So I think this is going to be really good. Once it gets out of break-in, I bet you can go 500 miles on a tank easily of oil, which is going to be awesome. I run the new Vez Extreme that they put in it, so it's a fantastic oil. It's more smooth. It's just better lubricating, I guess. Better for the pistons and the heads and everything. But so far, though, the 144 has not done me wrong. It's got a lot of power. The extra traction on the ground. I went from a 137 Pro S to this. It's a lot more traction on the ground. It feels great. So far in the bumps, I haven't experienced it too much. I mean, there was some bumps. I would say it handles good. Not as good as my Pro S, but it does handle really, really well also. It eats the bumps up. You just go right across them. The longer track helps you stay up above the bumps better. But definitely I would say the 137 with the shock on the back does feel better. I haven't played with the shocks a lot. I do like the Walker Evans that they have on it, the clickers, so you can get harder and softer, which is great. I haven't really adjusted the clutch or anything. Everything seems to be fine. I mean, it's seated good. Just the top right there, seated good. Everything works amazing. I did notice a lot of darting on these skis though. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade to 6-inch dualies. They just right now got the stock skis with 4-inch carbies on them right now. So yeah, I did notice a lot more darting. So I'm hoping the 6-inch dualies will cancel that right out and it'll just go straight down the trail without darting. We'll see. I'll get back to you guys on that. I'm gonna do a couple rides and stuff before I decide to go and put the 6-inch dualies on. Maybe wear these ones down a little bit, but overall the power is incredible. I haven't had any hiccups or anything. I know I've been hearing people that have been having problems with the 850. I guess people are saying the weak bearing and all these other things. Hoping this does not happen to me. I mean, we'll see. I've been breaking it in pretty well. I mean, I've been giving it here and there. You know, I want to break the pistons in good. But the suspension, it's nice. I like it. The one big shock in the middle, it's also adjustable right there. And they have another one right there. It seems to be holding up really nice. So, you know, the running boards too. I haven't gotten deep snow yet with this, but I love the running boards on the Assault. It looks like I'm not going to get like any snowpack in there at all, which is going to be amazing. I am also thinking about putting a can on this, a trail can. I'm going to order one probably. And when I do that, I'm going to do an install video, a little before and after. And I heard they're really nice. It makes them sound super mean. And we'll see. We'll see. But as of right now, guys, I love it. We need more snow. As of right now, this is all the snow we got. It's actually supposed to rain tomorrow, so all this is going to be gone, unfortunately. Tug Hill, they got almost nothing. They got base, ice base, Old Forge, ice base. Not even worth going up and trailering up there, especially with the rain and stuff coming. Probably they're going to lose a lot of that too. So hopefully the week after that, I'll be able to bring you guys some brand new content on the new Polaris 850. Hopefully we can get some deep powder and see how this thing absolutely handles in deep powder. I heard they're amazing. We'll see if we can get it to stand up in the deep powder. But I think that's going to be it for the video today. Just a little update, quick update. I'm hoping we can get snow soon. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, like the video, and comment. Tell me how I'm doing. And then you guys will see when I upload next. I cannot wait. Hopefully in about a week or two, we can get some crazy snow and get some crazy footage for you guys. All right, guys, stay tuned.